Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the process shown in the video step by step of how to connect your Smind B2B app to Claude. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and open up the Smind B2B app. Click on the settings on the left-hand menu and click on AI Assistant or MCP. From there, just click the Manage MCP Users button right in the middle of your screen to add the user who connects to Claude. Now, before we add a user, it is highly recommended to set up a role to control what Claude can actually do. Jump over to the Roles tab and click Create Role. Let's name it something like Sales. You can pick specific tools here, but for this setup, just click Select All to give it full access except for Activity Log and Analytics tool, because I don't want this role to control this tool. Once that is done, switch back to the Users tab and hit Add User. Give your user a name like Sale, maybe add a quick note like Sale Team, and assign that new sales role from the dropdown. When you click Create User, a pop-up will appear with a secret access code. This is very important that you have to click the Copy code right now because you won't be able to see it again after you close this window. Copy and paste it somewhere that we can use later. With your code in hand, open up Claude in a new tab. Go down to your profile settings in the bottom left, click on Connectors, and look for the option to add custom connector in the top right. You can name it something recognizable like Smind B2B. For the server URL, you can also grab this from the settings right here. Click to copy the server URL and paste this link into the field. Claude will let you know you aren't connected yet, so just click that Connect button. After that, a secure page will pop up where you need to enter your exact Shopify domain and paste in that secret access code we copied earlier. Click Continue, and now Claude will confirm you are connected. If you check back in your Shopify tab, your new user's status will now display the active. Okay, now we need to make sure everything is working correctly. In the chat, I'll type something like, check my Smind B2B connection to confirm which shop you're connected to. List the active MCP users and their roles. You'll see Claude does its thing in the background and comes right back telling us exactly which store we're connected to. You can see it confirms my dev store and lists the active users like Dream along with their roles and exactly what read or write permissions they have. Next, let's say I'm starting my day and want a quick overview of the business. I'll ask, give me a full overview of my B2B store about the active pricing rules, pending registration approvals, and anything that needs my attention today. And look at that. Claude brings a table directly in the chat. I don't even have to click around Shopify. I can instantly see my active wholesale and volume rules, a couple of pending customer registrations that need my approval, and some action items like an email setting I still need to configure. Then we should double-check this right inside Shopify, going to the pricing rules on the left-hand menu to quickly verify those active discounts are exactly as Claude reported. After confirming those look good, I'll click on Registration and go to Customer Management to specifically look at those two pending registration approvals. You see that everything matches up perfectly. Okay, let's actually create something. I want to give a flat discount to a specific customer segment, so I'll type create a 10% wholesale discount for my B2B customer US on everything in my collection and show me a preview before you save it. Claude quickly gives me a preview table and it looks fine for this demo. I'll just tell it, okay, let's save it. Then we have to head over to the Shopify admin and check the Wholesale Pricing tab under Pricing Rules. There it is. It was saved perfectly as a draft rule waiting for us to activate it. Let's try something a bit more complex. I want to encourage bulk buying, so my prompt is create a volume pricing rule, 5% off at 10 units, 10% off at 25 units, and 15% off at 50 plus units for my B2B customer US. Once again, Claude maps it all out in a clear preview table. The tiers look perfect, so I'll hit it with another okay, let's save it. To verify, we just check the volume pricing tab in Shopify, and our new tiered rule is sitting right there in our drafts, completely built out. Finally, let's build a quick order form for our customers. I'll ask, build a quick order form for my top 5 products from the newest order with a minimum order quantity of 10 per line. Here, Claude might ask for permission to check your Shopify orders. Just click Allow once. It checks the latest order, but notices it only has one product. So it actually pauses and asks me how I want to handle it via a little drop-down menu. I'll select the top 5 best-selling products overall option instead. Claude grabs that data, but it also gives me a helpful heads up. These quick order forms can't be restricted to just one customer group yet on this app version. So I'll type, let's create it. And we have to check the quick order form section in Shopify. You see our new form is safely saved as a draft, and you need to attach this form to your customer group. And we finally made it. As you can see, connecting Claude to your Smind B2B app completely changes the way you manage your wholesale store. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and get your store connected, and don't be afraid to experiment with your own prompts. Try asking Claude to analyze your specific sales data or build custom pricing rules. If you found this setup guide helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment below or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.